So আমার কাছে exactly 1 hour আছে before Zara wakes up. Anyways, let's get started. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video from Shein. So আমার কাছে এই পার্সেলটা এসেছে at least a week ago. আমি এখনো আনবক্স করিনি। নিউবর্ন বেবির সাথে যা হয় ইউজুয়ালি পার্সেল আসলে আমি সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আনবক্স করে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে সব কিছু ট্রাই করি, বাট আমি টাইমই পাচ্ছি। Plus I wanted to share this with you guys. So let's get started. Today, so yesterday, it has been 3 weeks since my delivery. Zara 3 weeks old, so I have not weighed myself because I really don't care, but it feels good. I've lost some weight, so I went and ordered a bunch of stuff on Shein because এখন আমার কাছে যা যা ক্লোথস আছে they are not fitting me too well. সবকিছুই বড় বড়, আর আগের ক্লোথসগুলো আমি পুরো ক্লজেটে ক্লিন আপ করেছি. I don't know where they are. They're in the basement. I know where it is, but I'm just lazy, and this is a good excuse to buy new clothes. So let's unbox this box full of clothes. So আমি ডেফিনেটলি পরে দেখাবো, সব কিছু ট্রাই করবো সব কিছু পরার, বাট let's just get started. I'm so excited. অনেক কিছু অর্ডার করেছি. Now I'm realizing that. So let's see. প্রচুর জিনিস বেরিয়েই চলেছে. আমি চাই না কোনটা আগে দেখাবো, কোনটা ফিট হবে কোনটা ফিট হবে না, because I was still not sure. Medium will be too tight for me. Large is probably too big. So during pregnancy আমি large, extra large order করছিলাম, but it all depends on কোন আইটেমটা অর্ডার করা হচ্ছে. So or কি material, sometimes the large, if it's stretchable, would fit me. So বেশি কথা না বলে just জিনিসগুলো দেখা, because অনেক কিছু দেখানোর আছে. So let's get started. Okay. আমি না অর্ধেক জিনিস ভুলেও গেছি যে আমি কি অর্ডার করেছি. প্যান্টস দেখছি আমি তো মনে, ওকে. সো এই কর্ডুরের, বাট এটা মনে হচ্ছে কত বড়. এই it's like a dress, so I will wear it and show it to you guys. And then got this turtleneck top to pair it with that black dress. So this is how the outfit looks, and I think I absolutely love it. Love the top. The material is really soft and nice, and so is the dress. I got it in a size large, and I think it fits me perfectly. Another dress. So এগুলো একটু অফিস ওয়্যার টাইপেরও অর্ডার করেছি. It's like a shirt dress. You can pair it with a nice vest or a belt. আমি এটার সাথে পেয়ার করবো একটা sweater vest or a vest sweater, which I'm going to show. So I'm going to pair that shirt dress with this one. So আমি এটা এখন পরে তোমাদেরকে দেখাবো how it looks.
I was a bit skeptical about this shirt dress, but I think I love it. I love this cinched vest and the material, and I paired it with this black cardigan, which I think I love this look, how it looks, and I'm wearing this thigh-high boots to complete this look, but I think I can style it in different ways too, with belt and stuff. So overall I absolutely love it.
The next one is this beautiful dress. It was like $8, so I was like, I have to buy it, And again, office wear এর জন্য এগুলো খুব ভালো. Just don't have to worry about pairing much. Just wear a dress and oversized coat or boots. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to wear it and show you guys how it looks.
This dress has to be my absolute favorite, especially for the price. I got it in size large, but still fits me a little tight, especially at the belly area. But I just delivered a baby, so hopefully the belly will go down. But I love this dress.
Again, এরকম টাইপের dress for winter is really awesome, I feel, because you can wear it with the thigh-high boots, and again, you don't have to think much about styling. Just wear it with any jacket and thigh-high boots. So a very nice pink color dress. এটাও মনে হচ্ছে আমার বড় হয়েছে, but I can always cinch the waist with a belt. আর বড় হলে I can always stitch them. ছোট হলে it won't fit me. আর I feel like এই return করা is such a headache. তার থেকে I would rather stitch it.
Definitely fits better than I thought, and I love the style. Again, it's in size large. I was thinking it's gonna be too big on me, but now I love it.
Okay, এটা দেখি আছে দেখি. Oh, so this was on sale, so I got it. একটা blue blazer type-এর. So yep. The fit is really great. It's in medium, but I don't like the material much. But it's overall a really nice jacket. আর এই ড্রেসটাও সেম like with the pink dress, you can wear with thigh-high boots, you can wear it in summer, fall, winter, every time. So with different kind of shoes and style it differently. So এটা একটা dress.
This dress got to be my favorite amongst all. The material, the style, the look, সবকিছু, especially for the price, I just love it.
Again, I got something else for the office, just a normal pencil skirt, you know, black. Black goes with everything, so yep.
So I got a couple of these skirts since they were on sale for a really good price. So the material is really good, especially for the price. I absolutely love these skirts, you know. I got them all in large, but it's still a little tight on my belly area, but you know, it'll hopefully go down. It's from my C-section.
And this is what I'm most excited about is this leggings. Because when it stretches it looks like your skin, but it's very thick material, so এরকম দেখতে, and when you wear it it will look like you're like this. So I'm very excited about this thing because এখানে যা ঠান্ডা পড়ে সব সময় you know, leggings পরলে looks গুলো messed up হয়ে যায়, তো hopefully this will solve the purpose. Another dress, this is for office too, just a normal dress.
I was a little skeptical about this dress, but I really like it. It fits really good. Again, only the belly area is a problem, but you know, I was just 2 weeks postpartum when I filmed this video, so I'm not too worried about it. So, but overall the dress is really pretty.
Okay, and then I had to get this nice oversized coat, you know. Black Friday the besh bhalo deal dicchilo, so I had to get this one.
I think this is a great purchase, again, especially for the price. I will highly recommend this coat. Go for it. Looks great, fits great. Absolutely love it. And you can style it in so many ways with so many different colors.
So this was my haul. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't and leave a comment and let me know how you like my video. I know I'm not very regular on this channel, but you know, during pregnancy আমার কোনো fashion আর haul এইসব কিছু করতে ইচ্ছা করছিল না। এখন I'm back. I'm feeling so much back to my old self. So I will be here, and Azara, you can see she sleeps through it all. So it's much easy for me to like, ও যখন ঘুমাবে crib-এ put করে I can make some videos for you guys. So yeah, that is it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.